Morning dear students, today we will do exercise 2.5 of chapter 2. In this exercise we have sub questions which we have to solve. So question is, solve the following linear equation. First question is, I am writing their first question: x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 which is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, in this question we have to find the value of x after solving this equation. Okay, so we can easily see there are two terms, and there is also two terms in LHS and RHS. Both the LHS and RHS have two terms. So in this we have to take LCM of these two. So I am taking the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, and LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So after solving, after this we have to take there 2 and 15 there na. So 2 divide 10 by 2, so you have 5. Do multiply 5 with x and minus, do divide 10 by 5, then you have 2, so multiply 1 by 2. Okay, because that means we divided 10 by 5, so we get 2, and we multiplied this 2 by this 1. Okay, now there is 3. Similarly we have to divide this 3 by this 12 by 3, so we have 4. 3 4s are 12, and there is x, so I multiplied this x by 4. Now for this 12 divided by 4, then you have 3, and multiply this 3 by 1, then you have this now what we have, so we have 5 into x, that means 5x minus 2 upon 10, which is equal to 4 into x, that means 4x plus 3 upon 12. This is the two equations. This is the equation which we have to solve. Now do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means do multiply 10 with this term and do multiply 12 with this term. So I am writing there 12 multiplied by 5x minus 2. I multiplied 12 with this term. Okay, now do multiply 10 with 4x plus 3. That means we done multiplication of this by this and this by this. Then what we have, now we have 12 into 5x, that means 60x minus 12 into 2. I written there minus because there is the minus sign. 12 into 2, that means 24. Now equal to sign as it is I written from above equation. Now there is 10 into 4x, that means 40. 10 4s are 40, and x is as it is, plus 10 3s are 30. Now what we have, 60 minus 24 and 40x plus 30. These and these two terms are variable terms, so we have to separate this like that. And there is 30 minus 24, but if we transpose this 24 that side, then it will be plus 24. Now 60x minus 40x equal to 20x, and 30 plus 24, that means 54. So value of x is 54 divided by 20, because 20 is multiplying there, and if we transpose it will be divide. So their value of x is cut this by 2, there is 10, and then there is 2 and 7, 27. That means our answer is 27 upon 10, which is the value of x. So this is your answer. Do similar question number second. I am going to do question number third. Similarly in question number third we have two terms. First term is x plus 7. There is nothing in denominator, so I am writing there 1. Now take LCM of 1 and 3, you have 3. So do multiply this 3 by this x plus 7, or this 1 divide 3 by 1, you will get 3, and then 3 into x plus 7, because we multiplied this 3 by x plus 7, minus there is 1, so and 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, so you have to write only 8x multiplied by 1. Okay, now there is LCM of 6 and 2 is LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. then divide 6 by 6, you have 1, then 1 multiply by 7 minus 2 divided by 66, that means 3 multiply by 5x. Now solve this. So there is 3 multiply by x, that means 3x, 3 multiply by plus 7, that means plus 21 minus 8x, because 8x multiply by 1 equal to 8x upon 3, which is equal to what? 17 into 1, 17 minus 5 3 is a 15x upon 6. Now 3x minus 8x, that means minus 5x plus 21 upon 3. I solved this and this because these two are the non-variable terms, variable terms, sorry. And there is 17 minus 15x and upon 6 I written as it is. Now do cross multiply, that means multiply 3 by this and 6 by this. What you have? 6 multiply by minus x plus 21, which is equal to 3 multiply by 17 minus 15x. Okay, do solve this. 6 5s are 30 and there is the minus sign, that means we have to put minus sign before 30. 30x plus 6 multiply by 21, 26 is 120 plus 6, that means 126. Do multiply 6 by 21, you will get 126. Now 3 multiply by 7, 51 minus 3 multiply by 15x equal to 45x. Now separate the variable and non-variable terms. So there is 30. Separating this variable and non-variable term, you will get minus 30x plus 45x equal to 51 minus 126. That means you have to solve this by subtracting minus 30 from plus 45. You will get minus 15x, sorry, plus 15x, and equal to, there is 51 minus 126, that means minus 75. So do solve further. Minus 75 upon 15, because this 15 is multiplying there, and if you transpose this from there, then it will divide. Then value of x equal to 15 5s are 75 and there is minus sign, so I have to write there minus 5. So value of x is minus 5. Okay, similarly you can do that kind of question by your own. Exercise 2.5 is your homework. Do by your own, and if you face any difficulty, then get back to me. Thank you.